It's too early in the morning for this. Where are we going? Ground floor. Right, let's get checked out of this lovely hotel. Which one? Yeah. So many to choose from. I know I shouldn't be having one of these, like, but sure.
Oh my god, there's so many.
I know, there's loads in there. Many there is. Unbelievable. Good morning, guys. That is needed this morning. We are now leaving Glasgow, heading for London. What a night last night. I don't know about you, Liz, but I have a bit of a scratchy throat this morning from all that shouting last night. So I have. But anyways, guys, good morning. Day will be on Thursday. Heading up to the train now, or the bus to get to the airport for our 10 a.m. flight to London. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, but we're going to the airport a wee bit earlier. But if you haven't checked out the vlogs so far, guys, please go and check them out on the channel. All the ones from getting here, a really cool tour of our hotel room, and also AEW Dynamite and Collision from last night. 2 different vlogs. And if you're not wrestling fans, you can go and check it out anyway. Me and Lewis had an absolute ball last night, so we did. Anyway, now we're heading to, where are we heading? The airport, then flight into London, and then we're going to spend the afternoon in London. So this is going to be another day of fun and adventure here on the Moor on the YouTube channel. Good stuff. Right, time to leave Glasgow. Not that I've ever seen much of Glasgow, but we're leaving anyway. Next stop, Glasgow Airport. I don't think I tickets for that show, Liz. It's the show we were at last night, guys.
Any Omega wasn't there, the liar?
Well, he's probably backstage producing. But there you are, we had to get tickets for that show.
The producer?
He'll be there on Sunday at London. Anyway, guys, that's where we were last night. Go and check out the videos on the channel. Unbelievable. If you're not a wrestling fan, just watch it. It is hilarious. Some funny stuff and some awesome stuff. Right, where are we going? Let's have a look here. London, 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 London. Stansted at 10 o'clock. Bag drop 30. We'll just go through security this. Alright, let's get through this security and get some coffee. We need some. Hopefully the security isn't too bad today.
They're using the open field system. So at the minute,
on there,
it's like
10 o'clock to Stansted.
basically to get it, when it goes straight into that system, you need to spend 20,000 quid.
It's busy enough in here this morning, isn't
Field system and then patio. So it'll be
it? A long tube aboard. Too early for
Ding
this.
dong.
He's trying to be funny, guys. He really is trying to be funny. Every time we try and talk here, he's spending a smart arse. And he's sitting here farting like a trooper. And he tried to be smart there and turn the camera off. Here, we were sitting on the bus, and he was farting on the bus. Farting on the bus.
You come in there, bum.
Check us out. He's not amused. He's fucking farting on the bus. He's stinking the bus out.
You fart's not coming here.
It's you. You stink. Shit's pissed off and left me. It's on that bus on his own. There's another one coming. See if I can find this wee sod. It disappeared on me. Where the hell did he go? There he is there. You're on the way, me big lad, leaving me standing on my own. You went off the other bus and left me. Made me feel lost. Finally made the bus. Actually let us on the bus an hour earlier than we were supposed to get on. So we're now on our way to our hotel here in London. We have arrived in London. And the weather's warm. Overcast but warm. So yes, we are back on the road again, travelling to the hotel, get checked in, and then head out for something to eat. At some point, I need coffee really badly. Really badly. But it wasn't a bad flight, to be honest, from London. Easyjet flight wasn't too bad, as usual. But anyway, next up is the hotel. This one behind me here is overtired. Couldn't sleep last night with the heat. When he finally did go to sleep, he fucking snored. Mustard. Right. More travelling than we did get into this hotel. Hope the hotel turns out okay. It looks really nice actually, so it's anything like the last hotel rooms. More chuffed. Alright, let's find this train. So if we could check out his videos, guys, would appreciate it. He really needs to help us wee channel grow. Yes, let's go and find a train. Get up to our lovely hotel. We're in the enemy territory, Lewis. Oh, West Ham. It's a good thing you're not wearing your Liverpool shirt. The size of that wee train. Is this definitely ours, yeah? Oh, what, we missed it.
A few moments later.
Take two. Hopefully this won't let us on this time without closing the door on us. And we're on.
This train terminates here.
Oh.
For all trains.
Pretty cool wee train. I think this is the first time I've actually been on a full carriage where it's actually been empty. What? We're just out of the train station. What a lovely view. How far away are we from the hotel, Liz? By foot? A couple of minutes? Look at this. Where's the sun will hurt and creep out later on? Get a bit of sunshine. Well, it's all swanky around here, Liz. Big apartments. Over here, just across the street, is our hotel. But yes, guys, we are officially in London. The size of these buildings, all new apartments built like. Just said he would live in one, me aye. Where are you getting the money, son? On in we go. Oh, here, look at this, Lewis. Very nice. Here we go. Get in there and let's have a look. Here we go. Oh, here, hello. Ooh, very nice. Jeez, look at the size of the TV screen. Holy crap. Hey, look at that. Sitting there editing. Ha! Class. Love it. Let's have a look at the bathroom. The bathroom. Oh my god, this shower's huge. And the bath parts behind there. Very nice. Very nice indeed, what do you think?
Nice, yeah.
Looks awesome, doesn't it? See if we can get these windows open, see what's a view. Have we got a view? We've got a bit of a view, like, but not that we're going to be here much, like, but what do you think?
Nice, yeah.
Oh, he is, he's from Rocky mode now, he's got his vest top on. The side of the TV screen. Holy crap. That wee wheel thing you saw sitting at reception, they asked us to spin it and they give us free Rolos. We won 3 packs of Rolos. Can't complain. This has just noticed something again, like we did in Glasgow on the TV, but look. It's actually kept my name on the TV. Your guide to a smarter day. Pardon? Finally get to sit down after a morning of travel. What a day it has been so far. You knackered? Yes? No? He's on his phone. He's on his phone. Anyway, guys, that is going to bring us to the end of this travel vlog. We are now here in London. And we're going to go in and get some food. What net today? Well, apart from a drink this morning, that was about it, really. Yeah. And it was always nice that hotel gave us some Rolos. That'll do us for later on tonight when we're watching TV. So, well. But anyway, guys, we are here now in London, and we are off to start our adventure for the next few days. So if you enjoyed this vlog, we travel from Glasgow all the way down to London, drop a like please on this video, would appreciate it. Also hit subscribe below. Guys, go and check out all the previous videos on the channel. We've been traveling since yesterday. We put up 2 videos, was it 3 videos yesterday? And I've now got another 4 videos from yesterday. One where we travelled, we put up one, what other one did we put up? Oh yeah, full tour of our first hotel we stayed in. Guys, unbelievable. This hotel is lovely, but that one in Glasgow was incredible, all controlled by an iPad. Go and check it out if you don't believe me, go and check, honestly have a look at it, it's amazing. Then the 2 wrestling videos from Dynamite and Collision. So if you enjoy it, go back and check them, guys, we really would appreciate it. But anyway, that is going to bring us down to this one, so we're going to start another one here shortly. So we're going to go hit the board of the shop here and get some water and juice and whatnot for the room, and then we're going to head back and get showers, and then we're going to head out later on tonight for some dinner. It's going to be fun. So we're going to be vlogging more. Right, till the next one. See you all soon, guys. Thanks for watching.